Hi everyone. I'm not sure when you'll be watching this, but it's going to be the full moon next week. And for me, full moons are always about looking back and seeing what you've achieved, what's happened over the last month, and celebrating how far you've come, and then letting go of anything you don't want to take forward with you, ready to start fresh as we get towards the new year. And I'm going to be doing a Zoom workshop on feeling into the new year, because this is January 25 when I'm doing this video, and it'll be on the full moon, so we'll be doing some full moon tapping as well, celebrating how far we've come, which is something we often forget about, and focusing on what we want next and how we want to be feeling into that new year. So I thought we'd do some tapping today on celebrating where we've got to. So we'll be tapping on the side of the hand mostly. And as always, if you're tapping along with me, you take full responsibility for your own well-being. So even though the last year has been as it has been, and I felt all the things that I felt. There have been things I've enjoyed and things I haven't. And I've got here. Well done me. Even though there's been so much going on, and it feels like some things are completed, some things didn't even get started, and still I've got here with all the learnings that I've achieved over this past year. And I choose to celebrate myself, to celebrate who I am, and to celebrate how far I've come. To look at what worked for me last year and what I learnt didn't work for me. That way, I get to know what to leave behind, and I know what to take forward. And I'm giving myself permission to give myself a hug. I've done a great job. And I wonder how I'm going to do my job next year. What that's going to look like. What I want to bring into my life. How that's going to feel. And I love and accept all parts of me. I've done a great job. I'm doing a great job. And I'll carry on doing a great job. And this is my next year. And I'm choosing to create it as I'd like it to be. It's my year. I get to choose. What do I want in this year? Who do I want in this year? And what and who don't I want to take forward with me? Giving myself permission to tune into me so that I can really know what's good for me. Celebrating the past, looking forward to the future, and enjoying the now. And I love and accept all parts of me. So happy full moon, if this is when you're reading this, and maybe see you at one of the workshops that I'm running. and enjoy your year, however you decide to create it. Remember, you are the one in charge. Bye.